I'd record.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, okay. But the first stop is the dollar store to pick up some chocolate bars.
And some icebreakers if they have them.
Over the last 48 hours, Nova Scotia has received between 25 and 35 centimeters of snow.
So Max tracks are like under your tires, so you can like grip the tires and get them out. Never mind.
There we go. So far, so good. Ooh. She is deep. This feels a little risky.
What do you mean she is deep?
There's lots of snow here. Drifted in here. Woo, look at that snow that we came through. That was awesome. I don't think I've ever driven in snow this deep.
Hello, I got icebreakers.
Should we go up to our bushcraft slate?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You want like an air delivery?
Yeah.
Of the Aero bar?
Yeah.
Here it comes. Right up to there. That's got to be close to 12 inches. At least 11. For this additional part of the shelter, I think I'm just going to need 3 more poles. Here's one. Do you see what I'm doing here, Rita?
Yeah.
So I put a tripod on this end and a ridge pole.
And you're gonna make another side.
Well, we're gonna put the tarp on top of here. That could have been longer, definitely.
Wait, are we gonna leave the tarp here?
No. No, I'll always take the tarp with us. Let's see how this is gonna work. Yeah, I made the shelter bigger with the tarp.
Are you gonna come and get me or
That'll look
what?
good like that.
7, 6, 5, 9, 8.
Well, it's pretty cozy. Time to get a fire going. I think everybody's probably getting hungry.
You should move stuff around in it. I think it's you should move stuff around though.